Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very quick video. I just wanted to put this video as soon as possible. The reason I'm doing this video, there's two issues I want to talk about in this video. And then you guys know, reason today I just did the unboxing and I purchased two Chanel Coco handle in the mini size or small size. I don't realize the problem. I just found out today, so that's why I was so rushed to put this video on. What happened was one of Sabi DM'd me through the Instagram and she bought the same bag. This is the bag, which is Chanel Coco handle in the mini size or small size in the dark beige color. And she told me that she noticed her Coco handle, this handle is deformed. I'm like, what happened? Then she said the handle actually bended backward. Now I didn't realize that at all at the beginning, when I unboxing and when I was in the boutique, I didn't even pay attention for that. After read her message, I right away pull out my beige color, and guess what? It is. So I'm gonna show you right here. Now I don't know if you can see this handle is totally backward from this angle or from this angle. We'll insert the burgundy one side by side, and I will show you in the different angle so you can clearly see this handle is deformed. I don't think this is normal. I think this is defective. From the insert, you can see my burgundy one has a straight handle, but the beige one is totally bended backwards. So here you can see very clearly. Now I don't know if this happened to the beige. Does that happen to the black or burgundy or other color? If you already have the Chanel Coco handle, take it out, take a look, see if this has the same way it is. Until now, I'm not so sure this is supposed to be the way it is, which I doubt it should be straight. It's not, should be like this. So I want you guys to watch this video and please leave a comment below. What do you think? I'm still debating. However, I did talk to my SA. I show her a picture. I also will insert here. You can take a look. And she said she very quick. She said you can send back or bring back whenever I want. So I'm still debating. And I did try many ways, like to place the leather down so it look much better. But I don't know if this is the way it's supposed to be, because my burgundy one doesn't need it to be like this. It's not supposed to be, and it's really weird. I did watch a couple of videos and I also noticed some of them they had the same way. So obviously I think this is a quality related issue. This is the video about it. When you purchase, go to the store, be very pay attention for this part, for the handle. Make sure it is straight. It's not like a backwards or forward, supposed to be straight out. So this is the issue I want to address. Now if you have any comments, any similar situation like I mentioned about the handle, please leave a comment below. Let us see see how many people had the same issues. What do you think? This is the quality issue or this is the way it is? I don't know. This is my first time experience like that. So that's all about today's video. I hope this video is helpful. I will see you very soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.